Welcome WoodTubers, Martin Jensen here, and say hello to my secret room. Today we are going to change this white room into a natural cabin style wonder of a home office. So come on in and have a look. The plan is to create an inspirational space from where I can edit my movies, be alone with my thoughts, and wreak hell upon YouTube. And as you can hear, we need to address that sound too. But first, let's strip it down and pump up the volume. Now that we have done the ceiling, which is the hardest part, I'm now gonna use the wood stainer on the ceiling, and we'll get the feeling of what the whole room is gonna look like afterwards. We have now finished the paneling, and I just love how it looks with all the spots on the walls. It just looks fantastic. It looks like nature. We are now ready to do the wood staining on the rest on the walls. I cut these lists. I used them at the bottom of the wall, you know, not to show where the floor meets the wall. We call them lists. I don't know what English people call it. Anyways, I can just pop them in. They will dry very quickly out here. This place looks so natural now that you can even see the sap running off the walls. This place I love. It's my most precious room in my house now. I painted the walls with walnut wood stainer, and I have the Norwegian Cabinstyle home office that I was looking for. The windows and the door I painted with a soft colored black. And you know, when you paint a window black or a darker color, you bring the outside in. You'll really recognize it when you have done it. But before you think, I see the outside well. But if you paint it black, black kind of takes your eyes away from it. If you color it white, you'll see the whole window, but if you color it black, you won't really see the wood on the window. You'll just get drawn to what's out there, and the details of the window vanishes, and you'll see the whole picture of outside better. That's why I like dark windows. There's actually this hotel in Norway called the Juve, and they have huge windows and really dark interior, and it just you'll be a part of what's outside. Then you won't even notice that you have a couch and stuff. It's very cool. I'll put a picture in here. I got stuff left to do. I got the lighting spots in the roof. I'll show you a hack for those. Made a mistake, of course. Cut them just a bit too big. I thought it was just gonna be just enough, but then no, it was just too big, so they would be sucked up into my to my roof if I put them up there. So yeah, that's how it is. I thought they were exactly the same, but yeah, no. What was there else I need to do? Yeah, I haven't moved my office stuff in here yet, because that is part of part 2. But I hope you stick around. There will probably be some other stuff happening in between. I don't know yet. My plans are. And see you soon. Cheers.